Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are showing you how you can prevent invalid data entry using VBA into the Microsoft Access table, right? As you can see in our previous videos, we have shown you how you can get connected to the Microsoft Access database and then establish a record set based on some SQL, and then start entering the data or extracting the data on the basis of the criteria you mentioned in the SQL string. And so there are the chances that some invalid data is entered. So how to prevent it? Hmm. As you know, and so in this video, we will show you the invalid data entry issue is addressed in this video, and allowing you for more accurate and reliable data set. And viewers will learn how to implement VBA solution that ensure the data integrity, improving the quality of their automated processes. So so let's start with this the code. We will take you to the same code which we showed you in our previous video, right? And just to recap, uh, let's discuss what is this application for. It is for any daily activity which you got to do on daily basis. You can use it. We are using I am using it for qada salat performance in whereas because the salah for each believer uh, there have to be six salah every day, and and so and these have to be done regularly. And if you miss it, so there is a burden upon you that you have missed so many salats, so there is a backlog, right? So you can use it for any such scenario in which you have to perform on not only the daily basis activities regularly, but also if there is some backlog, you have to clear the backlog slowly and gradually, as and when it is possible, right, for you, with the sense of urgency. Sometimes it is very, very important that you have to do it quickly, and there have to be some timeline for which you establish that I will clear the backlog within so many days and weeks or years, whatever, right? So in our previous video, we showed you that mm, as soon as we click go, so it gets you the date of performance of the clearance of backlog here on the F9. Remember, F9 is the location where the date stamp is going to be. Today is 9th of August, and we want to just prevent it, that that the entry should be only for the dates lesser than yesterday date, right? Lesser than yesterday, not equal to yesterday, but lesser than yesterday. So that is 8th of August or before, not higher than the 8th of August. So since the system is suggesting the 9th of August for you, mm, so this has to be restricted, that you cannot enter anything. So that means you are compelled by the system to enter the date when your date of performance is lesser than yesterday, right? And you know that since you have committed to be regular for the daily practices from now onwards, so it is assumed that your daily based activities are going to be performed regularly. So the system takes it as granted that it presumes that all the daily activity are being performed regularly, right? So as soon as you get connected, the system see, okay, today is 9th of August, so until 8th of August, all the things are all the activities are performed, except for the overdues which have already been marked as not performed, right? So as you can see, the figures also telling you that due were that much number of prayers, right? And this is the prayer. So you have to perform 42,575, right? Number of prayers. So 6 prayers per day. So that is something 7,000 days activities. These have to be performed, right? So how to restrict? Our today's agenda is to tell you how to restrict the system not to allow any entry before after the yesterday date. Yesterday was 8th of August. So if the system, if anyone tries to enter for the 9th, it should give an error like this. Let me click OK, and I have put a breakpoint. It is going to tell you. Let me remove the breakpoint uh, just to show you first, and then we will put the breakpoint again, so to tell you that how it is done. Let me remove this breakpoint. We will put the breakpoint again. Let me show you how it prevents you, right, from entering this. Okay, click OK. So this entry is not allowed. You can add more purposeful text in here so that why this restriction is there, or etc. So you can so it is not allowing you to enter the 9th of August. Today is 9th of August, and which is higher than the yesterday date. So it is it will not be possible to enter this set of performance before 8th before means yesterday's date, right? Okay, means after the yesterday's date. Okay. So now let's see what happens and how do we do it in VBA code. So we click a breakpoint in here so that it shows you what it is doing, right? We are putting a breakpoint in here, and this is the place where it has found if the yesterday is greater than this date F9, yeah, this F9. If the yesterday is greater than F9, then it is you will get the message ready to add that much records, etc., etc. Otherwise, it will jump to the bottom, and it will start doing what? It will start doing closing everything. It will start, first of all, telling you that this entry is not allowed, and then it will start closing everything, and that's it. Okay. So we are already on the back on the on so we have put the breakpoint. Now let's execute go, and what will it do? Now it has established the variable that is 8th of August as a yesterday. And if 8th of August is greater than the date that is 9th, it is not greater than. So that's why that's how you have restricted the entry into the database, any updation into the database, and it is going to show you the message that this entry is not allowed. You can change the entry that why and how this entry is not allowed. You can give further details for details. Um, the system policy. Well, you can write any reason for that and purposeful, right? For to policy, and you can say that VBA, VBCR. VBCR is that show the next contents on the next line, carriage written, right? So what would happen? Let's redo it, reverse gear, yeah, this one, and see what would happen. It will show you this entry is not allowed. For details, refer to the system policy. Okay, that's right. You can write more anything which whatever is purposeful, and then when you click OK, it closes everything and gets out of uh, the loop, and it is open done, right? So click OK. Let's go. You trying again. So again, it is checking if the 8th of August, which is yesterday, is greater than the 9th of August, and it is not. So that's why it is going to jump to the error message. It will show you the error message, and that's it. And it's going to end all the means it will exit the loop, right? So this is the way that using the VBA commands, you can make sure that the data which is being entered into the table are duly validated. So data validation can be through the code this manner. There can be so many other validations. My purpose was just to show you how you can restrict the invalid data from going into the table of Microsoft Access. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.